Here's how we sign North Korea. Okay, this concept has two different signs, right? We're going to do North and we're going to do Korea. All right, so North, we're just going to use the letter N. All right, so how do we make an N? Well, we're going to put these down, put our thumb between our middle finger and ring finger and bring them down. All right, so there is an N. All right, N. Okay, so the sign for North is just taking the N, putting it low, and going up. All right, just imagine a compass. When we go up on it, N is usually at the top. North, right, North. From the side, North. From the other side, North. All right, I have noticed when people sign North, sometimes they let their N kind of be relaxed. All right, so a tight N would be like this, with these fingers real tight here. Sometimes when people sign North, they just kind of go like this a little bit. They relax them. North. I've even seen people have it straight out and they go North. All right. So in this course, we're going to sign it with like the regular N, kind of tight, kind of loose. All right. North. Main thing is you got the N position. You got that thumb in between the middle finger, ring finger. And you're going up. All right. So we're not going there. We're not going there. The N and we go up. All right. North. All right, sign with me 3 times. Here we go. North, North, North. Okay, so we have the first part of North Korea, North. Now, let's do Korea. Here's the sign for Korea. All right, so the hand shape is like this, okay? We start with our fingers together, thumb alongside. Now we're going to turn it so the tips of the fingers are facing towards our face, right? And we're going to touch and slide down just a little bit the side of our head, come out and come back in. And once we come back in, our hand is in this shape. Okay, so we have Korea. All right, so you're sliding out and back in. When you go back in, go about your cheekbone, the top part of your cheek right here. Okay, so Korea, Korea. From the side, Korea. From the other side, Korea. Let's do it 3 times from the rest position. Just sign Korea. Here we go. Korea, Korea, Korea. Okay, so let's put the 2 signs together. We have North and we have Korea. Okay, so there's no need to come down and pause in between the words. Just go straight to them. So it'll look something like this. North Korea. North Korea. From the side. From the other side. Okay, so sign with me. Let's do it 3 times. Let's sign North Korea. Here we go. Okay, one more note about the sign for North. I've seen some people start way low and go way high. Some people just kind of do it in the mid-range. I kind of do mid-range unless I really need to emphasize that it's way north. All right, so North Korea. That's what we have here. All right, so this has been the sign for, or the concept, the double signs, 2 signs to sign North Korea. North Korea. Okay.